Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Chrome version and that you're signed into the same Google account. This matters because sync can restore remote history. Next, make sure you have backups available, system restore points, time machine, file history, or a Google Takeout archive. Once done, stop using the browser on that device to avoid overwriting local files. You'll act fast, export any available account data, and prepare a recovery drive or software so you can examine Chrome's local profile safely. You now locate Chrome's profile folder. On Windows, use %localappdata, %Google \Chrome /user data \default. On Mac, check ~library/application support /Google/Chrome/default. Open the History SQLite file with a DB browser to query the URLs, visit count, and last visit time columns. This reveals what Chrome stored locally. If the history file was deleted, run a trusted file recovery tool to scan for the History SQLite file. Once recovered, export it and refinish by importing the recovered history file back into the Chrome profile while Chrome is fully closed. Set proper file permissions and remove any. Lock files. If Chrome Sync was enabled, sign into the same Google account on a fresh install and allow Sync to repopulate browsing history from the cloud. Verify entries inside the browser and in the SQLite file. If something fails, try a clean test profile, confirm correct profile path, and rerun recovery. That single troubleshooting step often reveals permission or lock conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.